Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set up fingerprint on Redmi A5. To do this, you have to go to settings and after that scroll down a little bit until you find security and privacy. And after that, scroll down a little bit until you find device unlock. Click on it. And after that, click on the option fingerprint and face unlock. Enter your PIN code. And after that, go to fingerprints. And as you can see, I already have a fingerprint on my device. If I want to add another one, I click on add fingerprint, and after that I should lift and touch again to set up my fingerprint. I should put my finger on it. Try to move your finger in all the ways so your phone can read your fingerprint, and my fingerprint is added successfully. And after adding it, click on done. And as you can see, I added a new fingerprint to my device. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.